guys, it's Dina Rennick here. If we haven't met before, I'm an artist and an art teacher, and I am going to show you a shortcut for how to save specific parts on your screen, plus a new magical tool that I just found out about. If you have Windows, I've used this on my school desktop computer and on my school laptop. What I'm about to show you doesn't work on Chromebook yet, but if it does, I'll make another video showing you how to do it. So I'm going to share my screen. Here we go. So I'm going to show you how to do a full screenshot and how to snip a certain part. This is specifically for Windows. I'm going to show you how to do the old way of doing it, and then I'm going to show you the new shortcut and how to do oddly shaped objects if you want to cut out not an entire rectangle. So in the past, if you want to snip something, you would go to search and go to snip and sketch, and you click on that. Then you say new, and then you would just clip a certain part, and then it pulls up, and then you can save it. Now there is a shortcut. So now if you hit the Windows logo, the shift button, and S, it will come up without having to go to the search bar. So Windows logo, push that down, shift S, pops up, and you can do the same thing. Now, if you want a full screenshot, you do this button next to the X, and it saves the whole thing. You can see that there. But if you want just a specific freeform, irregular shape, an organic shape, which can make very cool art projects, or it can be useful in any other application for any class or office work or anything that you're going to do, we're going to get still the logo, shift S, hit freeform. And then we are going to just push down on the touchpad and then trace around the specific shape that we want. I could use this if I wanted to put myself on a different background, for instance. I'm outlining just what I want. And now there I am. And I'm going to save that. I'm going to call that Dina Form. Pretty cool, huh? I just found out about that. I was playing around with Snip and discovered that. So that's my new favorite thing. So then what I could do with it, and you can use it in any program, but I can import it as add an image. Then I can just import only my face, and now it's an image. I could put it on a background. Maybe I put mountains in the background or some kind of scene. Or now that I have this, I could copy that. This is on Jamboard. If you're not familiar with Jamboard and you want to try it out, it's an interactive whiteboard that you can use with other people at the same time. I use it for myself and my students all at the same time. But if you want to learn how to use that, I have a couple of videos on that, and I'll put a link in the description. So if I go on Jamboard, but you could do it on any program, Control C, that copies it, Control V. I could make something cool with it, just for an example. I just did Control V a few times. And I'm just having fun. You can see you could use it for more, you could use it for something serious, but I thought this would be fun to play with. And there we go. I could change the background. I could even create a square. And change the color of it to, say, bright blue. And then move that to the back. And now I have a fun background. That's a fun way to play with it. So again, just as a review, if you want to snip a rectangle or a square, just do Windows logo, Shift S, and hit the rectangle, and then you could clip any kind of rectangular or square shape like that. If you want an irregular shape, or they call it a freeform shape, then you still do Windows Shift S, but you choose the freeform button. Then you trace along the outer edge of just the thing you want to keep. And you can have a lot of fun with it. And then it saves it just as an image. And then you would save it right here. So the way that I discovered the freeform is I was helping a student work on their eye in a self-portrait. Let me zoom in here so I can have a little bit better control. And again, I'm doing this on Jamboard, but you certainly don't have to. Anytime you're using a Windows laptop or desktop, this will work. So Windows Shift S, chose the freeform, and then I said, oh, I wonder if I can do, if that will help me just trace out only an eye. And I tried it and it worked. And so now I think it's the best thing ever. I'll go back to fit, then I'm going to import this eye. Then you can almost make collages with it. So I can make myself into a cartoon character like that, or I could just make myself have slightly larger eyes. I can turn these a little bit. Let's see if I copy, Control C, and then Control V to paste. Spin it. So you can use the snip function for funny activities like this, or you could use it to make a cool collage like you saw me starting to do. You could do sort of simplified versions of photo editing. If you want more control, of course, you would use Photo P or Photoshop, one of those more detailed photo editing functions. But if you just want a simple way to snip something from one of your existing photographs, this is a great way to do it. So you can even make little puzzles. So I just wanted to show you that short, quick, fun, new shortcut for snipping with the Windows Shift S function, and that you can also do the freeform snipping, which gives you some flexibility and creativity. And if you didn't already know that, hopefully you find it a useful tip and that you have fun with it like I'm having fun with it. I hope you found that useful and that you're having a great day. If you did find it useful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe down below. And let me know if there's anything else you want to know about, and I will talk to y'all later. Have a wonderful day. Love ya. Bye. Mwah.